Is Turnitin flagging your papers as AI generated even if you write your own outlines? Tools like ChatGPT often leave digital fingerprints that scanners pick up. Today we are testing the LMS AI text humanizer to see if we can take a document from 100% AI detection down to zero, but first we need a baseline. We asked ChatGPT to write an introduction for a paper on grid-connected PV systems. We copied this raw text and uploaded it directly to Originality AI and Turnitin. The result, both tools flagged it as 100% AI generated. This is the score we need to beat. Here is the secret to using the LMS AI text humanizer effectively. Do not paste your whole document at once. For the best results, you need to copy and paste your text in small chunks, about 2 paragraphs or 200 words at a time. Paste it into the box, click Humanize, and repeat this process until your entire document is converted. After processing the text, we rescanned it. Originality. I now says it is 100% confident the text is human written, but the real win is Turnitin. The AI detection score dropped from 100% all the way down to 0%. The similarity score also dropped from 30% to 20%. Whether you use ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, processing your text in 200-word batches through this tool effectively removes AI flags. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more updates.